Abraham Lincoln stated, "You can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time." In 1995, I stopped selling our reproduction Corvette parts to Zip in Mechanisville, Virginia. David Walker was simply purchasing our products wholesale and then copying them, including our illustrations and instruction sheets. We did the research and development to reproduce an acceptable replacement for a GM Corvette part that was no longer available, and Zip would then simply copy our reproduction. That's when I started using a proverb: don't make a repro from a repro, because you don't know if the repro is the correct part to copy. Without the guidance of the genuine GM blueprint sent to me by Mr. Ken May, the now retired Director of Warehousing and Distribution of all GM, we could have never produced accurate reproductions of the C3 radiator seals. Some may remember our Sparky the Seal full-page advertisements from 1986, when we started with the introduction of the 1968 327 and 427 model reproductions. Then we offered the short early 69 350 Air Dam, and then the three-piece late 69 70 350 Air Dam seal. Next, the early 69 427 short Air Dam, followed by the late 69 longer Air Dam. We even received the blueprint for the Air Dam for the high-rise hood used on 69 L88, 71 LS6, ZR1, and ZR2 models. The 70 454 and late 70 LT1 rectangular Air Dam was faithfully rendered in our reproduction. The contoured short 71 350 seal was reproduced, including the contoured 71 454 high-rise Air Dam, as well as the 71 LT1 Air Dam for that high-rise hood. The 72 350 long Air Dam was the first to extend from fender to fender, as was the 72 454 and 72 LT1 long high-rise Air Dam. The 350 and 454 Air Dams were shared for 73 and 74.5 models, using the same low-rise unisex hoods. The 76 to 79 350 Corvettes used a carburetor fresh air intake duct on top of the radiator support, and these Air Dams came in three pieces: a center seal under the duct, with the left and right ends on either side of the duct. The 8081 Air Dam used five pieces: a center seal under the air intake duct, with left and right side ends on either side of the duct, plus two pieces on top of the air duct in front of the radiator support. The 82 Air Dams only had four pieces: the left and right ends on either side of the duct, and two pieces on top of the air duct in front of the radiator support. This illustration shows our complete line of 68 to 82 Corvette Radiator Air Dam reproductions. DocRebuild was the first to introduce these accurate reproductions in the late 1980s. Since these closed-cell sponge rubber parts normally shrink in size as they age, as well as get intentionally crushed when installed, original parts could never be used as patterns for authentic reproductions. I must again thank Mr. Ken May for the actual GM blueprints. Zip has the distinction of making the first reproductions from the DocRebuild Air Dam reproductions, but they got fooled. The next video will demonstrate where they got fooled and why you should not make a repro from a repro.